Dabby. So, Chef Mitsu is making Phil a delicious chocolate sandwich, and I need you to pretty much just like add some. Apparently, Phil's allergic to nuts, so I need you to add some nuts in there. 'Cause Phil never lets me stay at his house for a 99 C's night, so yeah.
Nuts you seek. I have the nuts inside. Go.
Alright. I gotta make Phil a sandwich. Hope there's no nuts in this chocolate. So, I gotta take a huge dump.
Go. Set, go.
That's my chance.
Hold on.
Oh, crap.
Set, go. Go.
Time to get Phil. Phil! I have to hide. Alright, I made you a sandwich.
When I say put Hershey's in it, I don't mean with the wrapper on, but whatever.
Phil, are you okay? What's wrong? What's in here? Oh,
Go.
a nut. What's in here? Monkey.
Go.
Hey, did you put a nut in Phil's sandwich? What are you doing? What up?
Yeah. Wait, what? 5 o'clock? I'm late to be in Michi's underwear drawer. Let's go. Oh, man, that feels nice. Oh, what was that? Is that a fart gun I smell? Oh. You look beautiful today. Oh, how'd you know? Oh, Pa. Go.
Just. I got one bullet.
I got one bullet. Gotta make this count.
Yeah. Oh, I mean.
One. Okay. Oh! One go.
You monster. Yes, but the pirate told me to. Who cares about the pirate?